Good evening. Today, we will be covering the post-market update dated the 7th of November, 2024. Indian benchmark indices erased gains from previous sessions to snap a two-day winning run amid selling across sectors, as investors remained cautious ahead of Federal Open Market Committee (FOMC) outcome later tonight. At close, the Sensex was down 836.34 points or 1.04% at 79,541.79, and the Nifty was down 284.70 points or 1.16% at 24,199.30. Hindalco Industries, TRENT, Shriram Finance, Tech Mahindra and Grazim Industries were among the top losers on the Nifty, while gainers were Apollo Hospitals, HDFC Life, SBI, TCS and L&T. Talking about the corporate segment, we have about 13.7 lakh shares of TRENT Limited, representing a 0.4% equity stake in the company, were traded in a block deal on Thursday for 881.7 rupees crore. The shares were exchanged at 6,445 rupees each. The shares of the company fell over 7% intraday on missing the September earnings estimates. The Tata Group's retail player TRENT shared its earnings report for the second quarter of the current fiscal year today. The retail major reported 47% jump in consolidated net profit at 335 rupees crore for the quarter ended September 30, 2024. The retail company reported net profit of 228 rupees crore in the year-ago period. The company's net profit fell 14% on sequential basis. The company's consolidated revenue from operations rose 39% to 4,157 rupees crore in Q2 financial year 2025 as against 2,982 rupees crore in Q2 financial year 2024. Moneycontrol poll estimated revenue growth of 51% at 4,365 rupees crore. Shares of SHAKTI pumps were locked in a 5% upper circuit at 4,822.55 rupees, following the announcement of a 116.4 rupees crore order under the PM-KUSUM scheme. This new contract, awarded by the Haryana Renewable Energy Department, involves the supply, installation, and commissioning of 3,174 solar water pumping systems within a 120-day timeframe. The stock has delivered a remarkable performance in 2024, up 368% year-to-date, significantly outpacing the Nifty 50's 11% gain. For the September 2024 quarter, SHAKTI Pump's net sales rose 315% increase year-on-year to 634.59 rupees crore, and net profit skyrocketed by 1,630% to 101.42 rupees crore. Our achievements are a direct result of faster execution of orders within both the domestic and international spheres. Profitability margins also witnessed a significant expansion, which can be mainly attributed to the realization of economies of scale, which was facilitated by increased operational activities during the quarter, said Dinesh Patidar, Chairman, SHAKTI Pumps. Shares of ADANI Energy Solutions fell over 10% on November 7 as MSCI didn't add the stock to its standard index in November review as it awaits clarity on free float. Meanwhile, expectations were running high over ADANI Energy's inclusion to the index. However, the stock failed to make the cut. The MSCI also provided a detailed explanation for not considering the stock, citing low confidence about its free float. The adjustments for the latest rejig are slated for November 25, and India is expected to witness a net inflow of around $2.5 billion in FII passive flows through the rebalance, according to Nuvama Alternative and Quantitative Research. Following a stellar debut on the bourses and sustained buying thereafter, which resulted in a massive 150% gain from its issue price, the WAAREE Energies stock slipped into the red on November 7, falling as much as 8% to 3,354 rupees as investors took partial profits off the table. This comes just a day after the solar power stock rallied 8%, propelling its market capitalization to Rs 103,779.62 crore. On October 28, the shares were listed at 2,500 rupees on the NSE, a premium of 66.33% against the issue price of 1,503 rupees. In other news, the company informed exchanges on November 6 that it received an order for module supply, with production scheduled to begin at the end of November 2024 and complete in Q4 of financial year 2025. Notably, the company did not disclose the order's total value or the customer's name. WAAREE Energies is one of the major players in the solar energy industry in India, which is focused on PV module manufacturing with an aggregate installed capacity of 12 gigawatts as of June 30, 2023. Lokesh Machines Limited in daily time frame is trading around 393.60 points with a change of 20% and is trading with a net volume of around 418.754 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 352.30, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 60.27. Hercules Hoists Limited in daily time frame is trading around 239.61 points with a change of 20% and is trading with a net volume of around 513.406 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 206.85, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 69.12. Fidel Softec Limited in daily time frame is trading around 162.30 points with a change of 20% and is trading with a net volume of around 102,000 shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 138.91, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 70.61. For the stock recommendation we have, Wellspun Corp Limited looks good and can be bought at 799 rupees, keeping a stop loss of 775 rupees and a target of 827 rupees.
You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.